Zoe, why get quiet? Caitlin, it's quiet.
Katie, it's quiet.
My arm's gonna get tired. Woo. No. I hope you guys are learning a lot.
Read the instructions before you start a video.
Meant to be awake. Wait. Somebody wakes you up. Katie is like, we'll take it. Well, you're on it.
Oh, you guys woke me up at like 1 o'clock. So,
Look, Zoe, you can see
only
it getting
reason
all
why I
frosty.
used
This thing actually really works. It's just really time consuming. If you really want the what's this?
You have to be patient.
If you really want the Blizzard, just go to Dairy Queen and get one. Because this makes like nothing. It makes 1/3 cup.
You can keep making it and making it and making it, and then it becomes one big cup, then you don't have enough for everybody's stuff.
Hey, it's almost been 10 minutes. This is like an exercise.
You should check it.
Woo, Zoe, look at it. That looks like really good, actually. Let's just keep going for a little longer.
Until it gets to the right.
Just like 30 more seconds, because then it would have been 10 minutes.
What are you doing?
We were busted. I don't remember how much work this took.
Take it last time. So gross.
I hate jalapenos.
Because jalapenos. This is just a full food.
Actually, they're kind of good.
Okay.
Yeah, bitch.
Dad, does this look like magic
Stirring.
or what?
So you use
It
the
used to be
salt?
that.
Yeah.
Now it's that.
Looks
Oh, keep going.
kind of crystallized, like chemically.
Yeah.
Like you might not survive this shit.
We've ate it before.
Oh man, you're not making a video of this, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on TV. Right when they upload this,
Okay.
I'm gonna
Now?
take a
I mean,
screenshot.
oh, my hair, my shirt's all dirty and holy.
Wait,
Yeah,
where's those
right when they
cups?
post this on YouTube, I'm gonna
Just
take a
get it.
screenshot of it, put it
It's
on
better not go on
Instagram.
That's not going to.
But it is.
No, no. You gotta edit it first. Cut me out.
We
Don't know how.
Well, you guys can't make this YouTuber. You not edit videos.
We know how.
You don't think those guys edit videos?
No, Zoe, what are you
We
doing?
don't
We
even
just
have
need to
the
get off
right
of here.
computer to. Our computer
Why
won't
am I
let us.
still talking? Since you can't edit this out.
Dude, you're loud.
This actually tastes like really good, guys.
Where's Jazz? Why
Okay.
like 20
Now pull it
minutes
out.
died?
I don't see anything happening. Maybe we're supposed to push this down?
Wait, lazy song.
Ooh!
Where?
What are you supposed to do to get it out?
Where's that thing? Where's that thing that you had earlier?
Oh, you put it in upside down.
Okay, boy. it's just a read.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Whoosh.
You're so
Woo! Okay, okay.
You're
Well,
so mean.
I guess this just makes one
Yeah,
serving.
It's not Halloween. Yeah, you don't have to be
Ow!
He's not get afraid of you.
Something that mean on his birthday.
Oh my gosh, sorry, it's overflowing! Okay. Take it out slowly.
Oh gosh.
Look, it looks so
Who's
cute.
this?
Whoever wants to.
Mine.
I meant the machine.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
that's mine.
Katie's.
I haven't seen that in like ever.
Because we got it like 2 years ago. Just saying.
Try it like that.
Used to.
We'll wash it.
It was too much work. Now you realize how much work it is, you're not going to use it again for 2 years?
No, like, we used it and then we put it away. and
Jen,
then
there's
we
still
let it
more.
back out. So just saying that stuff can be like totally like death of lies.
So it makes twice the amount.
This was a success.
Ooh, this is spicy.
Or are you
So-
gonna say bye?
Oh yeah, but I'm waiting for Zoe.
Gotta put this on. Okay. Have fun. Make sure to go tell people.
Or really, have fun finding it on YouTube.
Your battery's running low.
I know. Zoe, you take forever.
Ew.
Pretty too long for YouTube anyway.
Oh, that had water in it. It's okay, we're making another one.
Yeah, for me.
For Zoe.
For me.
There's 3 packets.
Fine. Whatever. I don't care.
This right here has salt.
Then why are you licking it?
Never mind. It was just that
Tastes
one
good.
area. Mmm. It's tasty, guys. Try this
try
at
it.
home. It's kind of free too. Like you buy it once and you don't have to buy it again because you already had like
well, you
18
actually have
packets.
to buy the packets.
We had like 4 packets.
Well, yeah, but if you have like 30 packets, then you.
You had 4 packets? There's
No,
still
we-
half of one in there.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's kind of
'Kay.
open.
Bye. It's not stuffing.
You have to close it.
Mhm. Go get that mouse. I'm joking. We're not leaving it. We're gonna finish this off.
Finish it off. Just you.
Mhm.
Here. Why don't we find hairspray right when we don't need it?
Here.
Where the heck does it put it?